12. Abu Ben Adim. Learning objectives. 1. We should love God's creature mankind. 2. We should look forward to the love and goodness in human beings. Do you believe in the existence of angels? What would you ask an angel if you ever meet one? Read this poem about a man who was blessed by God for loving his fellow men. Abu bin Adim, may his tribe increase, awoke on the night from a deep dream of peace, and saw within the moonlight in his room, making it rich and like a lily in bloom, an angel writing in a book of gold, exceeding peace had made Ben Adhem bold. And to the presence in the room he said, "What written thou?" The vision raised its head, and with a look made of all sweet accord, answered the names of those who love the Lord. "And is mine one?" said Abu. "Nay, not so," replied the angel. Abu spoke more low, but cheerily still, and said, "I pray thee then, write me as one that loves his fellow men." The angel wrote and vanished the next night. It came again with a great wakening light, and showed the names whom love of God had blessed. And lo, Ben Adhem's name led all the rest. A poem by James Henry Leigh Hunt. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. 1. Who was Abu bin Adhem? Answer. Abu bin Adhem was an 8th century Sufi mystic of royal lineage from Balkh. He loved his tribesmen, who treated him as their spiritual leader and pioneer. They followed his teachings based on great ideals and values such as peace, mutual harmony, and service to the deprived and oppressed. 2. What is meant by "may his tribe increase"? Answer. May his tribe increase, used as a parenthesis here, basically implies a wish for the growth of people who followed his teachings and adopted the path shown by him. 3. What is the attitude of the poet to Abu bin Adhem? Answer. Abu bin Adhem is a poem with religious overtones and a fervent moral lesson. It conveys the idea that the service of humanity is the best form of religious duty. It is through love and caring for our fellow human beings that we can receive the love of God and worship Him. 4. Explain the meaning of deep dream of peace. How could Abu have peace? Answer. A deep dream of peace is mentioned, which indicates that men experienced peaceful sleep when they led a simple and honest life. Such men as Abu did not have the stress, anxiety, and nervousness of being exposed as a result of their wrong being revealed. Such men never lived an impure life of dishonesty, thus they had no fears. Find their meaning. 1. Tribe, race. 2. Peace, harmony. 3. Bloom, flower. 4. Cheerily, happy way. 5. Exceed, go over. 6. Presence, existence. 7. Accord, grant someone. Fill in the blanks. 1. What writest thou? The vision raised its head, and with a look made of all sweet accord, answered the name of those who loved the Lord. 2. The angel wrote and vanished the next night. It came again with a great wakening light. Take the right options. 1. The poem Abou bin Adhem draws from A. French folklore, B. American folklore, C. Arabian folklore, D. Indian folklore. Answer A. French folklore. 2. After waking up, bin Adhem saw A. An angel waiting for him, an angel calling his name. B. An angel writing something in a book of gold. C. An angel walking in his room. Answer B. An angel writing something in a book of gold. 3. Making it rich and like a lily in bloom is an example of A. Simile, B. Metaphor, C. Personification, D. Hyperbole. Answer A. Simile. Match the following and write few lines about each. List, above, angel. Let's enjoy the poem. Fill in the boxes. I have a dream. I can make the world a better place. At school, I will be friendly. At home, I will help with chores. In my community, I will plant more trees.